pan, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee is melted, add 1 1/2 cup of grated pumpkin. Let it boil for 2 minutes. So I have taken 1 liter of milk and reduced it into 2 cups of milk. Now add the 2 cups of skimmed milk. Mix everything well. Cook it until the mixture is thickened and the milk is evaporated. At this stage, add few saffron strands which is soaked in milk. Mix everything well. Now the mixture has become thickened. Now add half cup of sugar. So you can adjust the sugar level according to your taste. After 10 minutes, this should be the consistency of the pumpkin halwa. So now beautifully our pumpkin halwa has got ready. So serve it hot.